a quick one. So we've been given a rectangle with two sides and a perimeter to find the area. Okay. So as usual, we look at the question, we derive equations from the question, and we use it to get our final answer. Okay. So let's do some basic interpretations. Okay. So whenever you have a rectangle with two sides having the same markings, what it implies is that the two sides are equal in length or in size. Okay, so we can see that the top and the down are all having the same markings. So what this means is that if the top is having a length of 3x minus 5 in meters, the bottom is also going to have 3x minus 5 also in meters. The same thing applies to the left and then the right sides. Okay, they're also going to have the same size because they have similar markings. Okay, so this side is also going to be x plus 1 in meters. Okay, now our main focus in this particular question is to find the area. Okay, we're looking for the area. Now, how do you find the area of a rectangle? That's the question we're supposed to ask ourselves. How do you find the area of a rectangle? So we know the formula for finding the area of a rectangle. So area of rectangle equals the length of the rectangle times the breadth or the width. They are all the same things. Okay, so the length is always the longest side. Okay, so in this particular question, we can clearly see that the length is 3x minus 5, then the breadth will be x plus 1. Okay, now our area is supposed to be in, we're supposed to get our area in a figure, not in an expression. Okay, so we need to find the value of x based on the information given in the question. So after finding the value of x, you just replace it or just substitute it into this expression to get our final answer. All right. So how do you find the value of x? The same way we come back to the question. We've been given a perimeter. Okay. Now we know that the perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of all four sides. Okay. Sum of all four sides. Or if you have the length of the rectangle and have the breadth, you can always go with this formula. Okay. So 2 multiplying the sum of the length and the breadth. But what's the perimeter given in the question? You have 24. Okay. And what's the length? 3x minus 5. The breadth is x plus 1. Okay, so we're going to have an equation over here. So at this point, you just have to be simplifying. Okay, so we are going to get 4x minus 4. You can divide through by 2 to give us 12 equals 4x minus 4. Okay, so you can bring the 4 to that side to give us that. 4x is going to give us 16 and x is finally going to be 4. Okay, so we've gotten to know that the value of x is 4. So we just substitute x as 4 into our expression for area. Okay, so we're going to end up having area to be 3 multiplying 4 minus 5. Then in another bracket, you are going to have 4 plus 1. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12, so we're going to have this. Okay, 12 minus 5 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5. So we're going to end up having 35 meters squared. This is going to be our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.